The scudo is the official currency of the sovereign military order of Malta and was the currency of Malta during the rule of the order over Malta, which ended in 1798. It is subdivided into 12 tari, each of 20 grana with 6 piccoli to the grano. It is pegged to the euro history. The scudo was first minted in Rhodes in 1318. By 1500 the coins had the distinctive characteristics of a cross and the orders and grandmaster's coat of arms on one side, and the head of Saint John the Baptist on the other. The scudo was first minted in Malta during the reign of Piero de Ponte. The quality of the coins improved especially during the reign of Antonio Manuel de Villena in the early 18th century. At some points in time, foreign coinage was allowed to circulate in Malta alongside the scudo. These included Spanish dollars, Venetian lira, Louis d'Or and other currencies. During the French occupation of Malta in 1798, the French authorities melted down some of the silver from the island's churches and struck them into 15 and 30 tari coins from the 1798 dies of Grand Master Hompesh. After the Maltese rebellion, gold and silver ingots were stamped with a face value in grana, tari and scudi, and they briefly circulated as coinage in Valletta and the surrounding area. The scudo continued to circulate on the island of Malta, which had become a British colony, along with some other currencies until they were all replaced by the pound in 1825, at a rate of £1 equals 12 scudi using British coinage. Despite this, some scudi remained in use and the last coins were withdrawn from circulation and demonetized in November 1886. One scudo in 1886 had the spending power equivalent to £3.82 or €4.35 in 2011. The present-day Republic of Malta adopted the decimal Maltese lira in 1972, and the euro in 2008. The SMOM, which is now based in Rome, has issued souvenir coins denominated in grana, tari and scudi since 1961. The 1961 issues were minted in Rome, while mints in Paris and Arezzo were used in 1962 and 1963. From 1964 onwards coins were minted in the order's own mint. Few countries currently recognize them as legal tender. The scudo was also the currency used on the order's stamps from 1961 to 2005, when the euro began to be used. Coins were issued in denominations of 1, 2.5, 5 and 10 grana, 1, 2, 4 and 6 tari, 1, 1.25, 1.33, 2, 2.5, 5, 10 and 20 scudi. The 1, 2.5, 5 and 10 grana and 1 taro were minted in copper, with the 2.5 grana denominated as 15 piccoli. The 2, 4 and 6 tari, 1, 1.25, 1.33, 2 and 2.5 scudi were silver coins, with the 1.25, 1.33 and 2.5 scudi denominated as 15, 16 and 30 tari. The 5, 10, 20 scudi coins were gold. Coins minted today include bronze 10 grana, silver 9 tari, 1 and 2 scudi and gold 5 and 10 scudi. In 2011, a gold coin of Antonio Manuel de Villena minted in 1725 sold for $340,000.